Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this video we will discuss about Android 12 beta release and its features. So Google has released Android 12's beta version for its developers, and you can also avail this beta release by filling out a form at Google's official website. And I am going to explain in this video what are the features for this Android 12 and what are the latest additions. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also view other videos and share with your friends. So without further ado, let's start with the video. Now Android 12 beta, it's designed especially for us so that Google has now customized its Android that will suit its users. So there are a lot of visible changes, thematic changes, and the appearance also has changed. So you will see the visual changes in this release, and we will talk about what are these changes and why Google Android is so much famous these days and why it has been developing its new version for quite a lot of time. So let me play this video for you so that you will get the better understanding of that. So a lot of visual changes, a lot of personal experience improved. So it includes the biggest design change in Android's history. And they are saying that from the colors to the shapes, lights and motion, everything has changed according to the user's personalized behavior. So the main feature is personalization. So you will be able to completely personalize your phone with a custom color palette and redesigned widgets. That's very cool. And widgets are the, you can say, flagship of Android appearance. So they have been really improved in a lot, and it applies to the colors across the entire OS. So what that means is whatever background you choose for your phone and every other things, then entire OS and notification shade, the lock screen, the volume controls, everything will set according to the theme of that wallpaper. So it will give you a very personalized experience, and it will also look very cool when you use your phone. And it is done in deep collaboration between software, hardware and material design team. Now apart from that, the motion and animations have also significantly improved, since nowadays 4 to 6 GB RAMs of phones have been upgraded to 8 to 12 GB, so you get a lot of space for these kind of animations and motion. So the moment you pick up Android device, you will feel how it comes alive with every tap. So you will get a better experience. Also it needed for core system service up to 25%, and the system server big cores will be reduced by up to 15%. It means that under the improvements, the CPU time needed for these operations will be reduced significantly, so the battery consumption also will be reduced significantly. And system spaces have also been redesigned, as you can see from this animation. So there are a lot of design changes being made by Android, and these are looking really cool, so I'm quite excited to use that feature for myself. And security is the obviously the most important aspect of any phone nowadays. Now it includes new features that gives you more transparency around which apps are necessary as accessing your data. So the new privacy dashboard will offer you permission settings as well as what data is being accessed. So you can select what data should be used by the app and you can make the changes. Also there is a notification toggle. So from here on you can always switch on and switch off the camera and microphone option. So you will be assured that the app which is opened in your phone will not be using your microphone and your camera without your permission. So it's a really cool feature. It will give you more security, and it's really essential these days because security is the most important feature, and hackers are more or less interested in taking the access of your phone and then selling there in the black market. So I would say it is a really good deal, and eagerly waiting for this Android 12 beta. And now official website has also mentioned some of its features, so let me show you this. So it is Android 12 beta 1, and from here you can actually get this beta version on your device. So if you have a Pixel device 3 or newer version, you will be eligible for using our device maker partners. So you will get the beta release, but keep in mind that this release may contain a lot of bugs, and the final release, which is expected to be released on August of month, will be the stability or the stable version of the Android. So if you are a developer and you want to experience it firsthand before anyone else, I would suggest you can download the beta release. But if you are a genuine user and want to use the Android 12 experience, then you may have to wait for the August of month. And these explanations, like what are the changes, so one is behavior change, so system changes for privacy, security and performance, and other new features and APIs. So a lot of features are coming here, and I will explain in my next video what the other features are also available. And if we go through the Wikipedia page of there, they says that it is developer preview was already released on February 18, 2021, and still you can get the access. And it will be the 19th version of the Android, but it will be called Android 12. They have not come up with any official name, and I think they will give the name after a while. So you also stay tuned. But the platform as of now is Google Pixel, because they offer stock Android, and on other devices it will be released on a systematic release. So that's it now, guys. Thanks for staying on my video. Let me know how you like the video and comment below what are your thoughts regarding that, and if you are interested, will you use the beta release or you will wait for the stable release. Thank you now. I'll see you on my next video.